Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and in today's video we're doing a haul from Victoria's Secret, and I got a couple of items from the pink side. So if you would like to see what perfume items that I picked up, this was items that I picked up during that sensational sale that they had, where they had their perfumes on sale for $40, and also the more recent sale that they released their bow collection and a new body care item. So if you want to see what items that I picked up, then just stay tuned. And if you like content like this, be sure to drop down below, subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up, because on this channel, we focused on BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. All right, you guys, so all my items did finally arrive, and I'm finally getting around to filming this particular haul with you all. And what I told you before in my last, when they did that flash perfume sale, I told you that I was going to be probably doing a lot of testing coming up, because we're approaching the end of the year where the companies will be doing more and more sales, and pop-up sales, and some people want to know what this stuff smells like or longevity and all of that before they just dive in and blind buy something. So I took advantage of the sale at the time to purchase a lot of the perfumes that's part of the Victoria's Secret lineup, so that I can be testing them. And I did that along with some other brands as well. And I also have discovery sets and things like that. And if you saw my October perfume tray, because that video should have went up before this one goes live, I'm telling you that in addition to picking out those few items that I will focus on for that month, that I will be using October and more than likely November as well as a month of testing fragrances, where I will be testing fragrances by themselves during the month. So no layering combinations. I might pick a day here or there to do a layering combination so I can still see what things layer like during the month, since we're all in the fall season. But I want to focus on testing a lot of these perfumes and things that I have accumulated, so I can give my honest review on those items. So stay tuned. Make sure your notification bell is on, that you are subscribed, so you can see my future thoughts on these fragrances and perfumes. So with that being said, what did I pick up? Charlene, what did you get? So if you haven't checked out the other video, you'll see those other perfumes in there. That was some of the items I got. And then I'll pop up the other sensational event. They had it for, I think it was $40 or something like that for the 1.7 ounces. But they also had their travel sprays on sale during that time, as well as you had those little gift cards that you earned weeks prior, where you got $20 off of $50 that you can apply to those things as well. So I picked up quite a few items that in the last haul, and I continue to get more items during this time. So the travel sprays, I spent about $5 on those, and all these perfumes came out to about $30. And I did get some free items because they also had on that coupon that you can get a free body mist or lotion with some of those orders. So I did take advantage of that as well. But first off, let me get these two out the way, because these were the two men colognes, or perfumes. They're not colognes, they say they're perfumes from the men's side of Victoria's Secret. Didn't even know they carried men colognes in there or perfumes. So I figure I'll let my honey try these. This first one, it says Victoria's Secret Him Platinum. And like I said, it says that it is a 50 ml, which is 1.7 fluid ounce. So I will be sure to share his thoughts on these as well. So this is the VS Him Platinum. And then the other one here that is the same size, this is the Deep Water. So Victoria's Secret Him Deep Water. So that is the ones I pulled that they have, that's for the men's side of things. Now, a couple of the other travel sprays that I got were, some of these I showed you the perfumes I got in the last haul, and I was just getting the travel sprays in them now. This is the Very Sexy, the regular Very Sexy travel spray that has pink pepper, mimosa flower, and rich orchid. So that's what this one is. So I got that one. And this other one is Very Sexy Night that has the black plum, moonlit iris, and suede woods. That's what it says on the back there. So that travel spray. And Tease Sugar Floor. I was curious about this one because that other tease I did not like. I think it was the cream cloud or whatever it was. That was not for my skin chemistry. It did not like my skin chemistry. But this one has fresh apple, jasmine buzz, and pink caramel. So that's the Tease Sugar Fleur. They did not have this one available in the bigger size. So this one sold out quick. So that tells me that a lot of people love this one. So hopefully I'll like the travel spray. If I do, I'll know to keep my eye out on it for a future. And the Bombshell Seduction travel spray has white peony, sage, and velvet musk. So that is that one. So last time I told you guys that I picked up the Daring travel sprays. So this is the bigger bottle of this one. And this one is the white one. It has the bright bergamot, warm oak moss, and bold amber. So Daring, pick that up. And the other one that I showed you the travel spray in last time was the Victoria's Secret Scarlet. This is the new release they came out with this year. Grounded in sensual florals, Very Sexy Scarlet is the saturated lipstick stamp on your glass that takes shape with a budding first impression. It has vivid rose petals, jasmine sambac, and silky ambrette. And we know how I feel about jasmine. So I will be, like I said already, I will be testing all of these out and giving you my full-on review on them after I did a full day's wear test on them. And I will test the travel sprays out in case I do not like the perfume. So I will not open these until I've tested them out through their travel sprays. That way I'll know if I absolutely love the scent or not. So we'll hold off on opening the other ones because I actually have travel sprays and everything that I ordered. So this other one was Heavenly. So Heavenly, this one is gold musk, vanilla sandalwood, and white jasmine. No, I did not smell this one when I did my walkthrough in Victoria's Secret. I smelled the Heavenly Dream Angel. So I wanted to see what the regular Heavenly smelled like. But I enjoyed this one just from first impressions in store. So I did get the bigger bottle in this one just in case. I do love this one. I already have it. But, and all of these, like I said, they were on sale with the 1.7 50 ml. But Heavenly Dream Angel says that it has prismatic musk, raspberry nectar, and amber crystals. And then moving along to the bombshells that I picked up. So I picked up Bombshell Intense. I knew I loved Passion, but I wanted to try the other ones out. So this is Intense. And Intense has Lush Cherry. It says Red Peony and Sultry Vanilla. So that is the Intense one. Got the bigger bottle in this as well. So we're going to test this travel out in this to make sure, as well as the regular Bombshell. So this is the regular Bombshell. I know I liked this in the past, but I want to give it a go again to make sure my scent taste hasn't changed. But the regular Bombshell has purple passion fruit, Shangri-La peony, and vanilla orchid. So we're going to test that one out. And then in the last video, I told you guys I was waiting on my Santorini to come in. It has arrived. So that is the one that I know I loved, but I was waiting on it to come in the mail. This one was part of that first order. So it finally arrived. And that Daring I showed you earlier was part of that first order too, I believe. All right, so 2 more here. That's perfumes, and then we'll get to the mists that I got. So, Bare Suede Vanilla is, yep, this one. So, Bare Suede Vanilla got the bigger perfume in it. And so the travel spray says that this has wild saffron, creamy sandalwood, and vanilla milk. Now, when I smelled this in store, I really did like it, but how it's going to be on my skin, I don't know. We'll see. And Bare Rose was one. Got the bigger bottle in that one as well. This one is the one that says that it has pear skin, rosa centrifolia, and sheerwoods. So that is the Bare Rose. So that is all the perfumes that I picked up. So let's go on to the actual mist. So put that down for a second. So part of, like I said, the sale was that you can get some of the free items. The one that I decided to get as far as lotion wise is I picked up the Cozy Vanilla Cashmere that they released part of this fall collection. I decided to get the lotion in this one. This one is the one that has whipped vanilla, autumn musk, and hazelnut blossom. So I haven't even opened this to make sure the seal is on. But yeah, so I got this one, and then I got the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Bliss. And this is the one that has jasmine petals, peach nectar. And I enjoyed this one, so I wanted to have this lotion to layer it with. And a couple of other items that I got that was part of this sale, that was the things that you can get for free with your order with that card. I picked up another set of this Cherry Mist collection. You guys, so I've tested so far this Cherry Bite. And let me tell you, I loved it. Now, when I did initial test on these, I believe this was my least favorite or second to least favorite. But on my skin, this is gorgeous. Actually, on my skin, this one, dare I say, I like more than the Cherry Desire. And that was surprising to me. Because I did a side-by-side wear test. I had Cherry Desire on this arm, and I had the Cherry Bite on this arm for several hours to see what I thought about them. And I really love this one. So I'm glad I got another one of these, because this one is good. It says Radiant Amber on it. What does it say? Juicy Cherry Nectar, Sheer Radiant Amber, Cherry Flirtation. This is gorgeous. I loved it. On my skin, I loved it. I haven't tested out these two on skin yet, but I did love them. I actually love these more than that one on first impression. So I'm hoping I will even like these even more so. But I went ahead and just got backups of all 3 of those. And then, if you saw my Victoria's Secret Body Mist collection, you would have saw on there how I went and raved about how much I enjoyed what Strawberry Dip turned into and what Vanilla Sundae has turned into. So whenever they was having this sale, this one is, now I'm moving on to the more recent order that just came in. They just had another, they got another sale going on right now on their stuff. And this was in their clearance section, the strawberry dip. And you better believe I was looking for vanilla sundae. It was not there, but I did see this. So I picked this up for, I think like $5 or $6. What did I get this for? $6.99. So $6.99. I was able to get me a backup of this. This is gorgeous. I love this scent. So I'm glad to have a backup of that one. And new collection. So I'll do another video, separate video for these, doing first impressions on them. But the new collection is their bow collection that Victoria's Secret has released. So they have Frosted Vanilla Fantasy. So this one has Frosted Vanilla, Milky Petals, and Glazed Amber. Then they released Candied Berry Wonderland. And this one has Candied Berries, Jeweled Pomegranate, and Prismatic Musk. They released another cherry fragrance. This one is Cherry Bonbon Bliss. And this one has Cherry Bonbon, Sweet Liqueur, and Pink Winterberry. And then they released Whipped Marshmallow Dream. I love the bottle on this one. And this one has Whipped Marshmallow, Jasmine Blossom, and Cashmere Woods. And based on the scent notes alone for this one, I went ahead and got a backup. So these were not on sale. This was well, I guess they do have their mist collection. If you buy 5 or more, you can get them for $8. So that's what I end up doing with this. So hence I went ahead and got a 5th one of and so I got a backup of the one that I thought I would love the most. And while that was going on, they released another one item in their body care collection. This is their Spice Vanilla Cream. So Spice Vanilla Cream. And this one says that it has, like it says, Spice Vanilla Cream with shea extract. It doesn't say any other scent notes here. Not that I can see. I looked at it earlier and I didn't see any additional notes on here. It just says your moment to feel toasty. This mist is your new daily ritual, delivering a scent boost from head to toe. And it says a moment to feel toasty. So that's what this is, Spice Vanilla Cream. And so I went ahead also and picked it up in the body butter for it as well. So this is, does this have a seal or no seal? It doesn't have a seal, but that's what it looks like. So we'll be testing this out as well. So I will be testing out that bow collection, and we'll test out that Spice Vanilla Cream. And so make sure you stay tuned for that upcoming video, as well as I said, the future test results of these other fragrances that I picked up. So stay tuned. Make sure, like I said before, you are subscribed to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy content like this, so YouTube can know that you enjoyed the video, and it pushed me out in the world of YouTube, so others can see my channel and also can enjoy beauty and fragrance content. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.